Welcome everyone. We're going to be making my favorite Chinese salt baked chicken. You can see that the skin is crispy and the meat inside is so juicy and delicious. You're going to wash and pat dry your chicken. Then you're going to massage the chicken inside and out with 2 tablespoons of Geung seasoning, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. You're going to refrigerate it overnight. When you're ready to bake the chicken, you're going to rub the sauce all over the chicken and then place it on the baking pan. Pour the remaining sauce onto the chicken and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to bake the chicken for about 40 to 45 minutes. The inside temperature of your roast should be about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now notice the chicken is crispy on the outside and super moist on the inside, as you can see. You can carve it to eat it, or you can chop the chicken into pieces. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.